Hello students, today we are going to learn economic activities and non-economic activities. Very simple definition. See the definition. Economic activity means earning or spending money for the exchange of commodities or services. Economic activity means earning, either you are earning or spending. Very important word here is money. If in any activity money is involved, you can say it is an economic activity. For example, if you are purchasing a pen, this means you are spending money. Or you are selling pen, this means you are earning money. Wherever money is involved in exchange of commodities, commodities means goods, services means air services, next is electricity services, bus services, teacher giving services, that are known as services. So economic activity means where money is involved. See here the example given, that is activity of a farmer. Farmer produces goods, okay, and produces goods and he sells in the market, so he gets money. That's why it is economic activity. Similarly, artisan who is working in the cottage industry, he also produces the goods and finally he gets money. That is known as economic activity. A teacher, a businessman, doctor, CA, they all are, their services are considered as economic activity. See the right hand side, activities that are not aimed at obtaining income. Wherever any activity is there where money is not involved, we do any activity but we are not accepting any money or income, that is known as a non-economic activity. Means economic activity where money is involved, and non-economic activity means money is not involved. See the example given here. For example, nurturing of a child by the mother. Mother is taking care of a child. Nurturing means taking care. Mother is taking care of a child. It is done for love. She doesn't charge any kind of money. Similarly, a nurse is taking care of a child, okay, but the nurse will ask for money, she will demand money. So this is not under non-economic activity, it is economic activity. A social service, a person who is doing a social service, he is doing any activity not for money but only for social service, welfare of the people, so it can be considered as non-economic activity. So finally we can say economic activity where money is involved, non-economic activities means money is not involved. Next, see if certain questions are given here. Very simple 2 marks questions asked, that is define economic activity with example, define non-economic activity with example. Difference between economic and non-economic activity, it is given in the previous slide. You have to write only the 2 points, whatever is given, and this much is completed. Next time I am going to tell you what is included in primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Thank you.